In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Booking.com account. We'll walk through the process on a computer using Google Chrome, but the steps are the same in most browsers. The whole thing only takes a few minutes, and you can register with your email, your Google account, or Apple if it's available in your region. Start by opening your browser and going to www.booking.com. Look to the top right corner of the page and click Sign In. On the next screen, choose Create Account. This brings up your registration options. You can sign up with an email address, use your Google account, or, where supported, sign in with Apple. All three methods are quick. Pick the one you prefer. If you choose to sign up with an email, type in a real email address that you can access right now. This matters because Booking.com will send booking confirmations and important updates there. Next, create a strong password using a mix of letters and numbers. A strong password helps keep your travel details secure. When you're ready, click Create Account. Now head to your email inbox and look for a message from Booking.com. Open it and click the verification link to confirm your address. If you don't see the email after a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder. You can also go back to the site and request a new verification email if needed. Once you click the link, your account is activated and you're all set. If you prefer to use Google, click the Google option, choose your Google account, and confirm. You might be asked to allow Booking.com to link to your profile so your account can be created instantly. If Apple Sign-In is offered where you live, select that option and follow the prompts to sign in with your Apple ID. These methods skip manual password creation and can be even faster. After verification, your account is ready to use. You can browse Booking.com without an account, but you won't have your booking history saved, and tracking or canceling reservations is less convenient. With an account, it's easier to book, manage trips, see your past stays, and access discounts that appear when you're signed in. That's it. You've successfully created your Booking.com account. Remember to keep your login details safe, use a real email for confirmations, and sign out if you're on a shared computer. Enjoy smoother bookings and better organization for all your trips.